Fucking Prius.
Toyota penis.
Toyota penis.
Fucking gay little fucking cars.
At least their gas up here is 309. 10 cents cheaper.
Ooh, go right through it. You go, bro. You go, bro. Even though you drive a gay car. You drive a penis.
Nope.
You drive a penis.
Circle.
Uh-oh. There's gonna be a big bump coming up.
Oh, the parking lot.
Right here, right to go into the parking lot.
Damn, you think with a brand new place that'd have this thing figured out by now. But new.
I wish there was somebody I could talk to.
If you're looking for support.
Oh,
Hey,
Brandon,
excuse me.
it's Brandon shit.
These are all fucking diesel? What the f?
No, there's unleaded.
They're all diesel.
No, they're not. There's unleaded.
On ETH. Oh, there's 87.
Oh, they got 87 here.
Hey, and it's the guy that does bowling league too.
Ooh,
He works up here.
shit.
That's his truck right there. His Ford Ranger, his Ford F-150.
Ford?
Ford found on date on the side of the road.
Yeah, bro.
Holy shit, somebody got 70 bucks.
Damn.